Hello everyone, this is again Amazing Grace and welcome again to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you some simple painting. So today we are going to paint. As you see, I'm painting blue, white as our background because you will see guys, today we're going to paint a waterfall. So just be with me and I'm going to show you the easiest way and the fastest way to paint a waterfalls. And of course it's like you are in a waterfalls with the green background and the forest. Yeah, it's not that much anyway, but I can only show you how it looks later. But as of now, I am painting the background blue and white, and after this I'm also going to show you how to paint sky or clouds. So let's do this step by step. Just be with me. You can also follow or you can change color. It's up to you guys. It doesn't really have to be the same. So now it's a sky. I'm using a round brush. It's not that really complicated. Dot dot dot. That's the same process of everything. Dot dot dot. And just look how the sky looks also. You will have an idea. There's some sky that is like a cotton. There's also sky that looks like just nothing. Now I'm making or painting the greenery, and I will separate this into two. In the middle, it's like a stony part, the rock part of the waterfalls. And it's the same. I'm using now a fan brush. Dot 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 because it's abstract. Later, guys, you will see what will be the outcome. But as you see, guys, also sorry for the camera. It's upside down. But you will see the final result later. But just how I do, it's all the same. I'm dotting. Dot dot dot. I don't stress. I just let it. Now I'm almost empty with the green colors, and now I'm adding. So it's a mix of green and black. Green and black at the background, and now it's a dark green. And of course later we will put the lighter side. It's just only a background. Look also, just imagine some part are bushy, some are not. There's some part that are also light. I hope you will understand the aesthetic part of painting. It doesn't have to be perfect, and all you have to do is just use your imagination, be creative. And now I'm adding again white and blue because I'm going to mix it. First, the water supposed to be like that, on the top and down. Pull it down, like that, pull it down. I'm adding a little bit of water because it's a little bit dry, and pull it down, pull it down. Of course, you need to balance how much or how high your waterfall is. And of course, after this, we are also going to add white, because you know white and blue is the color of our water. And why it's blue? Because guys, it reflects, the water is not really blue, it's only the color becomes blue because it reflects from the sky. It depends what is the color of the sky. And another white in the side. It's mostly abstract. And there you go. I'm adding a thicker white and then pull it down. And then to the other side, as you see, there's some green in the middle because that's the musky part. And of course, there's also water and falls passing through this area. Just don't worry. Just pull down the white color. You have some light color and some thicker part. And I'm adding more green. And I will add a little bit in the middle there, like a stone coming out. Green, black. Yes, just like this. Pull down, and maybe I will make it black because rock stone, it becomes like there's a moss and green part of this algae part of the water. It becomes, you know, something that's going on the rock. So soon it will be like the real waterfalls. And of course, I'm going to add some, how you call this, more white on this, more white. I'm adding them down. Just pull it down, just like that. Same level. Don't worry under, guys, because we're going to add straight line on it, just like the waterfalls falling into that side. And yeah, see, there's like a rock coming out, and then now we're going to create an illusion of a waterfalls that's dropping, splashing at the bottom. There, I'm dragging it down, pulling it just like that. You see, guys, also the green part on the other side, there's a green white on it. It's because it's the water that passing through it. It's like very thin water passing through that rock part. But aside, unlike to this other side that is darker, that's the part of the rock that is really out. And I'm creating an illusion of our woods. As you see, there's a dark green. But now I'm still working on our waterfalls in the side. That passing through the green part of the rock. Yes, I'm creating an illusion. That's the reason I have to make the white very thin. There you go. So a little bit there. Just be with me. That's how I make my waterfalls. The illusion of waterfalls. I think I will add a little bit here on the side. I have an idea. Now I'm still creating the illusion of splashes on that side. And I think I have to add colors on our trees. So I'm gonna add yellow and white, green, yellow, lighter green to make an illusion of our trees. So that's how it is. Someone is in the kitchen, and on the lights as a reason, as you see, it also changes. The light is also changing. But we will see soon, guys, how I make the illusion of our trees in this part of our painting. Imagine, use that imagination to create the illusion of our trees. And you know, while I'm doing this, I'm in the live right now of Auntie Mer's talking. So while we're talking, I'm creating also the waterfalls or the water coming out in this area. Of course, that's just a little tiny part of waterfalls that coming out. That's how it is. There you go. And I'm now creating a tree coming out in this side, a tree without any, or a dying tree, because you see, guys, it's green. That's the reason it's like an illusion of the dead tree without any leaves. I'm still adding more colors and illusion into our trees, and now I'm pulling off the border slowly. Oops, because the paint are still wet. Carefully. Oh, this is, I hope I won't destroy my paper. Oops. There you go. I think I have to add, because this side is crazy wet. Yes, I'm turning around my painting and the camera because I am now doing the final touch into our tree that is without any leaves, a dead tree. So soon we are really done. I hope that you learned something from me, and then I create also the sun there. If you see, it's done, finished. Yes, again, this is Amazing Grace, and thank you again for watching.